Hello students, today we are going to revise Grandpa's Farm. Let's see this reading junction.
Grandpa's Farm, Reading Junction.
Tony and Tina are going to their grandpa's farm.
We are on our way to Grandpa's farm.
Grandpa welcomes them with open arms.
Welcome, little ones.
Hello, Grandpa. Where are all the animals? We want to meet them. Tina, look at the litter of pups under the big mango tree. They are so cute. Look there, Tina. The hen is sitting on her eggs.
Come, your children. Help me collect the eggs.
The kids then go to meet the cow, the rooster, the pigs, and the horse.
Hi, Milky. How are you? Here we have the rooster going cock-a-doodle-doo.
Children, listen to Pinky. She says oink, oink, oink as she rolls in the mud with her little piglets.
Glider helps us carry and transport things. Right, Grandpa?
Pure right, Tina. Glider pulls carts that carry eggs, wool, and vegetables to the market. There is Doodle, the duck. Look, she's swimming towards you with her ducklings.
Grandpa, where are the sheep?
They are with the sharer. He is sharing them.
Grandpa and the kids then go for a ride on the tractor. They sing along and have a lot of fun.
So rumble through the top and tumble through the ground. Hop around a little or go round and round. Jump and hop, clap and tap. We're all having fun as we sing this song. Say bow bow, meow meow, quack quack, moo. Sing oink oink, chirp chirp, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Now children, let us read animals and their young ones. The dog, young one is called Puppy. Cat, young one of cat is Kitten. Lion, the young one of lion is called Cub. Hen, the young one of hen is called Chick. Sheep, the young one is called Lamb. Cow, young one is called Calf. Horse, young one is called Colt. Elephant, the young one is called Calf. Rabbit, young one is called Bunny. Goat, the young one is Kid. Frog, the young one of frog is called Tadpole. Children, let's revise. Pig, piglet, cow, calf, horse, foal, sheep, lamb. Goat, kid, cat, kitten, dog, puppy, deer, fawn. Fish, fry, frog, tadpole, duck, duckling, tiger, cub. Now this children you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Unscramble the word to find the name of young of the animals. Now this is given in your reader book. You have to write cub, fawn, fry, kitten. Write it down in your reader book. Grammar junction, position words we'll read. Words like in, on, under, and between tell us about the position of an object, a person, or an animal. Such words are called position words. Now look at these pictures. They show different position of the rabbit. First is in, next is on, the third is under, and fourth is between. In the first picture, the rabbit is in a box. In the second picture, the rabbit is on a table. In the third picture, the rabbit is under the table. And in the last picture, the rabbit is between two boxes. Let us look at some more examples. In. The eggs are in the nest. Now eggs and nest both are connected. So in is the position. It tells where the eggs are. Look at another example of in. The apples are in the basket. Where are the apples? The apples are in the basket. The next example. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Okay, children? Come to the next position word, on. The ball is on the table. On, it tells it is kept up. Okay? The ball is on the table. Where is the ball? The ball is on the table. Next example. The clock is on the wall. Where is the clock? The clock is on the wall. Come to the next example of on. The boy is sitting on the chair. Now here the children, boy and the chair is connected by using the word on. It tells the position of the boy. Where is the boy? The boy is sitting on the chair. He is sitting on means up of the chair. The seat is there, no? On top he is sitting. So it is said on. Come to the next example, under. The boy is sitting under the tree. You look at that picture, how the boy, where the boy is, he is sitting under the tree. So when you see the tree, you come to know that he is sitting under the tree. Next example, the ball is under the table. Observe the picture carefully. The ball is under the table. Next example, the dog is sleeping under the table. Okay, children, I hope you must have understood. Come to the next position word, between. Here you can see the ball. The ball is between the trees. Okay. Next example, the apple is between the two boxes. Okay, children, so you understood between two things will be there in your left and right, and the middle who is there, that is called between. Okay. Now children, answer these questions you have to write in your notebook. What is a baby dog called? A baby dog is called puppy. How do glider help us? Glider help us carry and transport things. Okay, you have to write this question and answer in your notebook. Where are Tina and Tony going? Tina and Tony are going to their grandpa's farm. What is a baby duck called? A baby duck is called duckling. Okay, children, so write it down in a beautiful handwriting in your English notebook, second sem book.